Well, that was fast. Anticlimactic.
Oozing masculinity.
Is that what that is?
Oh, it's gonna come undone. Put it on the table. Schmutz on it?
Ugga
Ugga dugga. Luna dugga. Ugga Luna. And then Scotty will airdrop after Wick gets this out. We get it paid, and then we'll airdrop. And then
I was using Alex.
yeah, I know, but we'll airdrop from me, then I'll airdrop from Ellie.
You have all mine. Oh,
No, we have that one we have to do. Yeah.
So we should put this back on so the food stays on it a little bit.
You can just set it on there, yeah.
Yeah, and then just put it on. How's it working, Wick? Not really behaving as it should. The bushing's so effed. Yeah, so we can box this and separate.
Yeah, separate. Yeah, lift and separate.
Lift and separate, buddy.
All right, let's do it. So this goes to that thing you have.
Good job, gang. This is coming along.
It's clean.
Oh, hey, it's better than it was. Yeah. Look at that.
All right, where's this come from?
Where's what come from?
What's that from?
Those are in there.
Oh, that's for the radius arm. Okay.
No, that's
Oh,
for
from this thing.
That's to go to the spin.
Oh, I see. The other side. Okay.
So Wick's getting the control arm apart, then we'll get some shots of that bushing. Bang up job.
There's a punch list out there too.
There's a lot of shit going on, huh?
Yeah.
Do you want the longer one?
Nah, this should do it.
Those are not exactly.
I might need it depending on how.
Okay.
No, they are not. They're not simple suspension at all. There we go. Doctor.
Do you want this one?
Doctor. Automotive doctor. Automotive gynecologist.
Oh, for God's sakes.
Come on, you knew that was coming.
It's like in every one of your videos.
I know. Well, you know.
New material.
Advertising.
Yeah, it's just nice.
Perfect. Thank you.
There it goes. It's coming.
Oh dear.
Got it. Ding, fries are done. All right, now will the punch come out?
Luna, shh. I know it hurts your ears, but we had to get it out, and we did.
Oh, look at that bushing. What bushing?
Oh dear.
Hey, Peter.
Oh, Peter.
Peter,
Ugh.
do you want to see how bad your control arm bushing was?
Oh dear.
It kind of doesn't
I
really
think you could have
exist.
gotten a couple more miles out of it.
Yeah, that's bad, dude.
Oh my god.
Try not to. Show
That's actually the reaction we
Yeah.
wanted.
Really?
Oh, really?
But the car rode nicely. I don't know.
Wait till
Yeah, wait till you drive it now. It's gonna be crazy.
wait till we're done.
You're gonna think you're driving a Corvette.
You're like,
Well,
this is great.
But yeah.
Only better.
It's going out.
Yeah,
you
that's
guys,
done.
You guys check this out. Or maybe
I'll let
Scotty
somebody else
can-
have
You want to see how bad the bushing is?
Larry, take it. Yeah, show on the
We
camera.
don't break it that way.
There it is. All right, that's bad. Flip it around the other way.
Well, you treated it poorly.
No.
Yeah. Can we press it out this side? Yeah.
No, Luna.
All right, go show the group, then we'll put that in the box, and then they're getting the other one apart.
Yeah.